Missing calls or notifications due to an Android phone not ringing can be frustrating. Today, explore 12 simple solutions to fix this issue. Part 1. Why is my Android not ringing when I get a call? Ringer volume muted. Do not disturb enabled. Airplane mode on. Call forwarding active. Connected to Bluetooth. Third-party ringtone issues. Blocked contacts. Clogged speaker. Malware infection. Physical or speaker damage. Part 2. Phone number calling but not ringing. Try 11 basic fixes. Fix 1. Check for dust dirt damage. Fix 2. Unlock the phone numbers. Fix 3. Delete 3 third-party ringtones. Fix 4. Inspect volume settings. Fix 5. Toggle off silent mode. Fix 6. Disable call forwarding. Fix 7. Disable airplane mode. Fix 8. Inspect Bluetooth. Fix 9. Restart your phone. Fix 10. Update Android system. Fix 11. Factory reset Android. Part 3. Fix Android phone not ringing via Android repair. Fully capable right bracket dot in instances where the phone fails to ring due to hardware issues. Android repair serves as an ideal solution for phone repairs. This tool is meticulously crafted to address Android system malfunctions. Step 1. Begin by launching the installed software on your computer and go to the System Repair tab on the main interface. Connect your phone to the computer via USB and select Android Repair. The tool will display the various Android issues it is capable of resolving. Step 2. Verify in the subsequent window. Enter the details of your device and click Next to proceed to the following screen. Step 3. Confirm. Enter 00000 in the designated field and select Confirm to move forward. Please be aware that the system repair process may result in the loss of all data on your device. Step 4. Boot to enter download mode on your device. With Home button, turn off, press Home, Power, Volume down for 10 seconds. Release, press Volume up for download mode. Without Home button, turn off, press Bixby, Power, Volume down for 10 seconds. Release, press Volume up. Step 5. Fix once your device is in download mode. Click Next to download the appropriate firmware for your phone. After the download is complete, the tool will begin to automatically fix the device that is not ringing.